Welcome to a very exciting episode where today we're exploring a revolutionary piece of technology, the ICEPURE TS200GR, a 6-in-1 countertop reverse osmosis water filtration system. This isn't just any water purifier, it's a leap forward in home water filtration and convenience. Join us as we delve into what makes the TS200GR a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their water quality and lifestyle. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. Alright, let's unbox this amazing piece of technology. The packaging itself is robust and sleek, indicative of the quality inside. As we lift the unit out, the first thing you notice is its premium build and compact design. The box contains the ICEPURE TS200GR unit, a water receiver, an instruction manual, and the water filter cartridges, and also we received this cute grape fridge magnet. Setting up the ICEPURE TS200GR is incredibly simple. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. No complex installation required. Now, let's break down the standout features of this impressive water filtration system. The ICEPURE TS200GR is compact, but packed with features. It combines the functionalities of a whole house water filtration system, an electric kettle, a traditional water cooler, a coffee maker, and a fridge cold water dispenser, all in one sleek unit. One of the standout features is the instant hot and cold water. The TS200GR heats water to drinkable temperature within just 3 seconds, thanks to its rare earth-thick film heating technology. Plus, it offers chilled water at 42 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for refreshing drinks. With 6 temperature settings, you can customize the water temperature for various uses, from making tea to preparing baby formula. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use. For safety, it includes a child safety lock to prevent accidental scalding and a water shortage alert to avoid dry burning. The ICEPURE TS200GR uses advanced RO reverse osmosis filtration technology to remove harmful substances from your water. It also employs SPE electrolysis to produce hydrogen-rich, fresh alkaline water, ensuring you get safe and healthy water every day. The filter cartridges have a lifespan of 24 months, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The filter span indicators keep you informed about the filter's status, ensuring you always have access to clean water. The TS200GR offers small and large cup options for 150 ml and 300 ml quantities. You can choose from various temperature settings like normal, milk, cool, coffee, tea, and hot, making it perfect for all your hydration needs. And it also makes it easy to prepare your choice of drink with perfect temperature. This device is not just a water purifier, it's a comprehensive hydration solution. Its advanced technology, user-friendly design, and robust safety features make it an excellent choice for any household or office. So there you have it, the ICEPURE TS200GR, 6-in-1 countertop reverse osmosis water filtration system. If you're looking to upgrade your water filtration setup, this product is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out!